Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to contact Uber customer service. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Uber app on your mobile device. Once the app is open, look for the account icon located at the bottom right of your screen. Tap on it to access your account options. From here, select the Help option at the top of your screen. You will see various categories related to common issues encountered on the Uber app. For example, if you have a problem with your account, tap on the account category. You will see different subcategories related to account issues. It's important to select the correct category to ensure you can contact customer service effectively. Depending on the category you choose, specific information will be requested from you. For instance, if you select Other Payment Support and indicate that you need to clear an outstanding payment, you will find a Submit form at the bottom of the screen. You can then provide details about your payment issue. After filling out the necessary information, click Submit. The option to contact support may vary based on the article you are accessing. If prompted with, "Can we help with anything else?" click Yes or No as appropriate. If you do not see an option to contact Uber customer support, ensure that you are accessing the correct article or category. So that's basically how you can contact Uber customer service. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.